Plastics for medical applications are becoming increasingly functional. We show practical examples of how ideas for new composite materials are being developed and how they improve medical care. Spang Brands has specialized in medical technology for over 50 years, combining toolmaking, injection molding, and assembly. Jürgen Mader has been involved in development and production for over 45 years. He explains some of the unique features of plastic products and how they improve everyday life and medical care.
Finding suitable materials for medical applications is not easy. We need specialized materials. We have worked with several compounders and developed clear ideas about materials that are suitable for sterilization. Not just ordinary plastics, but plastics that offer additional functional properties. Take PEEK, for example. It is widely used in medicine as a metal substitute because of its high rigidity. We currently need to use PEEK as a permanent implant material. However, in this case, it must also be elastic. We achieve this through a modified manufacturing process. A wire used in heart surgery is coated with PEEK in its elastomeric state. For patients, this means less pain because the elastic PEEK cushions the metal wire like foam. This balloon shows medical professionals whether a trachea seal is actually tight, preventing foreign bodies from entering the lungs. Previously, this was not visible. This simplifies monitoring and increases the safety of ventilation. What was the challenge here? There is no plastic material that exhibits a consistent restoring property, regardless of the degree of expansion. Currently, whether the balloon is inflated to 150 millimeters or only minimally, the restoring pressure remains constant. This dilator helps to insert a tracheostomy tube during a tracheotomy. In order to mold this product from a single piece, the team was able to greatly simplify a very complex manufacturing process. We decided to produce this part as a single piece using the injection molding process and to integrate certain features directly into it. The material used is polyurethane, which is not an easy material to work with. The special aspect here is that we developed a compound that eliminates the need for additional hydrophilization. The dilator no longer needs to be coated with silicone gel. The surface becomes gel-like on its own when inserted into the throat. This saves vital time because the specialist no longer has to change gloves to apply the gel. Customers who have their products developed or improved by Spang Brands rely on the expertise of this family-owned company. Ricarda Echterdiek joined the management team in July 2025, the fourth generation to do so. One aspect our customers particularly value is our genuine passion for our work. Many of our employees have been with us for years, developing deep expertise and experience. Our customers' products often stay on the market for decades, which involves complex regulatory requirements and approvals. That's why they rely on partners and suppliers who are stable, dependable, and committed for the long run. Digitalization and automation are major focus areas for us. AI applications, whether in quality control or in monitoring processes in the tools through sensor technology, are factors that will become increasingly important in the future. What drives us ultimately is keeping the patient in mind and asking, how can we develop solutions to provide better care for the patient?